Hey there! Welcome back to Cash Collect, where I'll show you an incredible online side hustle that could earn you up to $500 just by liking Instagram photos. Yes, you heard that right. All you need is a little bit of time and effort, and you could be making some serious cash. So, if you're looking for a flexible and fun way to earn money online, then stick around because I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing you need to do is download Messenger Telegram. Today is the day that we make money in this application. Now, I won't waste your time explaining how easy it is to sign up here compared to other messaging services like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Alright, now it's time to release the SMM Kingdom Tasks bot on Telegram. This bot is going to help us earn some serious cash by generating Instagram likes, comments, and subscribers. But before we can start earning, we need to link our Instagram account to the bot. Don't worry, if you don't have an Instagram account yet, you can easily create one by going to the Tasks section on the bot and selecting Instagram. Then, just copy your Instagram handle from the page and paste it into the appropriate field on the Telegram bot. Once you've linked your Instagram account, you're ready to start completing activities and earning some extra cash. And the best part is, you can select the Instagram account you just set up to complete the tasks. It's that easy. So, let's get started on this exciting new opportunity to earn some extra cash online. And as I mentioned, this is where you can make money from likes and subscriptions. But let's begin with the Instagram comment section. This method of making money is a little more challenging, but the assignments for composing comments never cease. Therefore, the money you may make here is truly limitless. There is also a star system in place here. The higher your average rating, the higher your future compensation will be. Additionally, payouts for each comment may increase to a maximum of 5 cents. In this case, comment income is classified under copywriting. And before you can begin making money, you'll need to demonstrate that you can make decent comments and are not a robot by passing a test designed to assess just that. To get through it, therefore, go to your Tools dashboard and click on this link. We then proceed to press the Start button. You won't need much preparation for this test, and there will be separate assignments for every one of you. For instance, I'm supposed to leave 15 comments on this photo of two women eating at a cheesecake factory. Half of the comments should be made on behalf of the males, and those comments should be about their physical attractiveness. As for the other half, they must be written in the girl's stead. I feel compelled to remark on how she relates to her star sign. For the option to select a female or male comment, please click here and then select either a man or a woman. I quickly jotted down these 15 comments on the Instagram photo, and now the comments are ready to be sent off for verification. Within a few hours, the comments will be reviewed and verified, and I'll be able to start collecting my rewards for completing the task. It's a simple process that can easily earn you some extra cash. And with the help of the SMM Kingdom Tasks bot, it's even easier. So, sit back and wait for the verification process to complete. And before you know it, you'll be earning rewards for your efforts. After trying out liking and subscribing to earn cash on Instagram, I decided to give comment writing a shot. To my surprise, within just an hour, I had already made $5.09. It's amazing how much you can earn just by writing comments on Instagram posts. Plus, as I continued to vary my writing methods, the rate at which I was paid per comment increased, reaching between 11 and 12 CASHCOIN per comment. What's great about earning money through commenting is that the opportunities are almost endless. The tasks for writing comments don't run out, and you can keep writing to earn more money. And the rating system is an added incentive to keep improving the quality of your comments, with the potential to earn up to 5 cents per comment. Another great feature of the SMM Kingdom Tasks bot is the dedicated area for creating a to-do list. And if you're looking to earn some extra cash, the bot also offers payment for liking and subscribing on Instagram. Typically, likes pay off at a rate of 0.5 to 1 CASHCOIN, while subscriptions fetch 1 to 2 CASHCOINs. I decided to put this technique to the test and see how much money I could make within an hour or two. And I was pleasantly surprised with the results. The earnings from liking and subscribing may seem small at first, but they can quickly add up with consistent effort. And if you're looking for a quick boost to your account balance, the bot also offers a bonus feature that will add a ton of pennies almost instantly. As always, it's important to make sure that you're not taking things too literally and following all guidelines and regulations for earning money online. But with a little bit of effort and some help from the SMM Kingdom Task Bot, you should be well on your way to earning some extra cash on the side. After working for 2 hours, I was able to earn an additional $5. Despite doing mundane everyday things, I've managed to rack up $10 on my account. And there's this very great feature where you can make money from comments twice as quickly as likes. However, it's also slightly more difficult. Finally, I propose we cash out this sum. If you have 500 cash coins, about 70 cents, and want to withdraw them to PayPal, you can do so. And if you have 10,000 cash coins, roughly $13, you can withdraw them to Bitcoin. And sure, you can use any Bitcoin wallet like Binance or Script Exchange or Trust Wallet or whatever. This is effortless and hassle-free when done via PayPal withdrawal. To send money to my PayPal account, please select the withdrawal option. Indicate the withdrawal amount and pick PayPal as the withdrawal method. Just enter in the PayPal number and you're done. Payments were deposited into my PayPal account immediately, and the withdrawal process took at most a couple of minutes. The SMM Kingdom Task Board paid a total of $10.51. In that case, let's start over, and that's fantastic! Furthermore, I can now send the funds to my PayPal account via the Best Change website, which allows for the exchange of currency and the transfer of funds to any Visa or MasterCard. To send money to a PayPal account, click the PayPal button and then the appropriate exchanger button. The discussion is over. I just transferred $10 from my PayPal balance, and the funds will show up there very shortly. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $2,000 a week just by typing very dumb words. So, if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.